Hello friends. Hi, how are you all? So once again, I'm really sorry for that I'm very casual in the appearance, wearing just t-shirt. But I felt that it's very important that I should share with you and not to wait for the formal attire and then come in front of you. So I'm really sorry for that. So the actually what I wanted to share is that I have a own story. I remember what happened once that when I was in school, I used to think I had a notion. It was a bad, wrong notion. The wrong notion is that there are two category of people. One who are very lucky, and those who are, and the rest are unlucky. Unlucky that they have to live a very normal life. They can only dream of it. They have the right to dream. They can have the right to think. They have the right to do, to see others, but don't have the right to be a part of among them. They can only see others, they can imagine, they can admire, they can do everything, but they cannot be the one who among them. This is the notion I had when I was small. I used to see the great personalities. I used to think that they are like different class of people. We cannot be them. I cannot be among them. When I see like Shiv Khera, when I see Elon Musk, when I see other great personalities, they are a different class of people who come from I don't know which part of the world or the planet, and they have done such a great thing, and we cannot do such thing. So this kind of notion I had when I was small, and I grew up with this notion that we are in different class of this different category of people, and we cannot do anything. We can only admire them. We can try to be like them, but we cannot be them. This is my notion, and many of you may find it very similar to it. That yeah, even we think that maybe the luck factor have worked in them, or maybe magic have worked with them, but some factor is there which is missing in our case. So this is the notion I have been growing with. But now I realize, fast forward after many years, that this is just a thinking and nothing else. If we can break this thinking, if we can remove this barrier, the mental barrier, the thinking barrier, the problem is solved. We can also be among them. We can also become like Elon Musk, like Jeff Bezos, like Bill Gates, like Ambani, Adani, and many others. We can also be that. It's not that they are from different part of the world. They are from the same earth where we have been growing. We can also be like them. But first thing, change the mentality. The moment you break this barrier, the mental barrier, rest everything will fall in its place. First step, break the mental barrier, set the mindset, the correct mindset, the growth mindset, and then you are on the path. So I hope you're able to relate with yourself. Even you may have been thinking that yeah, somewhere or the other we cannot be like them, but it's not that. You can also be among them. In fact, you can be you. You can show yourself who you are. Everybody is born with a special talent, and you have that talent. You need to come up with that talent. Build on it. You can be you. If you want to be you, then you have to do something different from before. Otherwise, it's your choice. Comment and share your thought. I'll try to answer it at how you can overcome your mental barrier. And very soon I'll be interacting personally. I'll be texting personally, and then we can go ahead with that. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.